Greetings to everyone around the world. I'm Edward Chaoho Chien from Taiwan, currently working in the Netherlands and actor as assistant professor for postgraduate prosthodontics and oral implantology. It is a great honor to be taking part in this virtual ITI World Symposium 2021. Today, I would like to explore the removable digital prosthetic solution in the naked reality of an aging population. Also, I would like to share with you all our view and actor towards digital dentures. Before starting, this is a full disclosure for my presentation. Now, let us look at what is this naked reality of an aging population. The simple answer is edentulous. Well, I'm sure treating an edentulous patient or a patient suffering from edentulous is nothing new for anyone, right? But now, we're in the year 2021. Is edentulous still a thing? When we look into the early literature from C. Douglas's group, in 2002, they were looking at will there be a need for complete dentures in the United States in 2020. They predicted an increase in denture wearing, even though there's a 10% decline in edentulous. However, this decline was offset by 71% of increase in adult population over 55 years of age. Moving to a critical review from Carlson and Omar from 2010 on the future of complete dentures in oral rehabilitation. They have concluded that the rate of edentulous was neither associated with a country's economy nor with the number of dentists per capita. They also found no correlation between socio-economic and social-demographic indicators. So maybe publicity and fashion have something to do with this? In 2017, I saw this teeth exhibition in London, showing the beginning of the 19th century where advertisement has promoted extracting teeth